The Samsung Galaxy M31 sports a 6.4-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED Infinity U display. The display has Gorilla Glass 3 protection and a peak brightness of 420 nits. The display houses the front camera in a little U on the top. It also houses 4 cameras at the back. It has a 64-megapixel primary camera with an f1.8 aperture. The second is an 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera for capturing wide-angle shots. The third is a 5-megapixel depth sensing camera, and finally we have a 5-megapixel macro camera. The rear camera can shoot videos in 4K. For your selfie needs, the smartphone has a 32-megapixel camera with the ability to shoot videos in 4K. It can also shoot slow-motion videos. For security, it has a rear-mounted fingerprint sensor and also supports face unlock using the front-facing camera. The Samsung Galaxy M31 runs on Android with Samsung's One UI overlaying it. For performance, it relies on the Exynos 9611 processor. The smartphone is available in two variants, 6GB RAM with 64GB storage and 6GB RAM with 128GB storage. It is available in two color options, Ocean Blue and Space Black. The Samsung Galaxy M30 is a dual nano SIM phone with both SIM slots supporting 4G. It also has a dedicated microSD slot for storage expansion. The 6000 mAh lithium polymer battery comes with 15-watt fast charging. The box includes the handset, power adapter, USB Type-C cable, quick starter guide and a SIM tray ejector. The Samsung Galaxy M31 comes with standard brand warranty. You can avail EMI and exchange options. You can also pay online using your debit or credit card, net banking or other methods. For further information on the product, warranty, payment and delivery options and other offers, visit the product detail page.
Magic meanwhile. Here you get the Samsung charger here. This is the charging adapter, and based on the spec sheet, this is the 15-watt fast charger that you get in the box, and this is the USB cable that goes along with it. It's a Type-C cable, and this is more or less the length of it. And the box is more or less empty apart from that. Here you have the instruction manual out here, which will tell you about your quick start guide, regional lock guide and your warranty card, and you have a SIM card remover as well. There's no protective case as such with the box. Now let's quickly see what you get in the phone. The Samsung Galaxy M31 sports a 6.4-inch Super AMOLED display. It's the Infinity U display that comes with a U-shaped dot notch on top and Full HD Plus resolution. Samsung claims that this has Widevine L1 certification, so it should play all your online OTT content in HD quality at the minimum. Now it has the Exynos 9611 under the hood and offers up to 6GB RAM and 128GB of storage. Now at the back, as you can see, there are 4 cameras that's led by a 64-megapixel primary camera. Then there's another 5-megapixel depth sensor, another 5-megapixel macro lens and an 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens with 123-degree field of view. Now on the front, on the dot notch itself, there's another 32-megapixel front camera with the capability to record 4K videos. The best thing about this phone is that it comes with a 6000 mAh battery inside. So that means that the battery life on the Galaxy M31 should be really good. We're expecting at least a 1.5 day worth of battery life even after heavy usage. That we're going to only find out after we use the device for a couple of days. But by the looks of it, the M31 does look like a pretty wholesome mid-ranger that might offer you all that you're looking for in your smartphone. So that's all more or less it about the Galaxy M31 out here. Thanks for watching.